never knew how much you meant till silence filled the words you said. All the days we laughed away now replay in my head. I never knew those simple times were treasures I would chase. Now I'm standing here alone, haunted by your trace. We never see it when it's near, we only feel it disappear. Never, never, never knew how much I'd end up missing you. All the moments slipping through like they were nothing new. Now the days don't feel the same, every memory calls your name. If I could go back, I would stay, but time just fades away. I never knew how pain could grow from something once so bright. Now your absence echoes loud every single night. Beautiful days turned into dust, drifting far from me. All the love I didn't hold is all I'll ever see. We only learn when it is gone how much we had all along. Never, never, never knew how much I'd end up missing you. All the moments slipping through like they were nothing new. Now the days don't feel the same, every memory calls your name. If I could go back, I would stay, but time just fades away. I miss you now, in every breath, in every sound. If I could turn this world around, I'd never let you down. Never, never will I forget every laugh, every regret. Even if you're far away, you're the part that chose to stay.